Hey, we're back again and we're going to create some artwork for the pause screen. I have Photoshop and Unity open again, and I have the sprite folder open. So let's drag the background into Photoshop, and we'll also want the sprite sheet dragged into Photoshop, but not on the same page. Let's select our title because that's going to go in on our pause screen, and we're going to try and make this like Doodle Jump made it, so minus the artwork. I'm now dragging in the monsters because they've got Doodle Jump has little monsters positioned around their pause screen. Now let's select our spaceship and drag that in. The cool thing about this asset creating the pause screen is we've pretty much already created all the assets to drag into our pause screen. You have everything positioned where you want it. We're going to need to draw in paused. So get your brush ready. Okay, once you have all that in, let's save it off as a PNG. File save as, and I'm going to name this background paused 3. I've already done this 1 or 2 other times, so that's why I'm naming it paused 3, background paused 3. Now remember, you can do this multiple different times. Oh, one thing that I forgot really quick, let's change the opacity to 80 on the background layer. This is a very important step because in the Doodle Jump game, you can still see the game paused in the background of the screen. Let's resave it off. PNG background paused 3. Once you hit save, this will pop up into your game, not in the game view, but in the sprite folder. Okay, now we have a couple. This one I can delete. Okay, let's create a game object, UI image. This will add another image into our canvas of the UI system. So let's click and drag our sprite into the source image, and then let's anchor it stretched both ways, so this box right here. Then let's zero out our rect transform. Just delete. Okay, and that's what it's going to look like. So let's change out the layer so that our score will show up while on the pause screen. We don't want it a child. So what do you think of the pause screen we just created? Let's hit play and see what our game looks behind our pause screen. Awesome, it looks pretty good. Now we will be putting a resume button on this pause screen, but that will be for the next video when we put code into our pause button and resume button to make them work.
Thanks for watching this video and staying to the end. We hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot. Make ssure that you click on our Info Gamer icon right here to subscribe.